What's up, bud? What's up, bud? Huh? Good morning. Good morning, handsome. Alright, guys, so kind of trying out a little Hades cam this morning. Give you that over the shoulder look for Hades. Today we are going to be prepping to go to EF versus DA, which is tomorrow. So I said I was going to be making some breakfast. So later on I'll be getting some eggs, some other stuff for breakfast, burritos and whatnot. Yeah, that's the goal for today. Other than that, we're just relaxing. It's not much to do except for wait for tomorrow.
Alright, so I've actually had Issa's Jackery for a couple days now. He's been busy at work and it's hard to get our schedules lined up where I could go see him and drop it off, but he said he's free right now and it's still morning time, and I mobilely placed an order for McDonald's breakfast, and I placed it like at 10:53, so right before the cutoff for breakfast. I'm going there right now to go pick it up, but man, what perfect time. He's like, dude, grab me coffee. I'm like, I got you, say less, dude, say less. All right, let's get it.
So we have officially already had our breakfast, and Issa's working on his CRV. He's got his Jackery up and charging. Whoa, stay out. Don't want to shade it. Nice. At 86%. I brought it to him when it was a 75. Woo! Yes, sir. Good job. I'm proud of you.
So hot, bro.
It's freaking hot as hell. That's why I'm not putting myself on camera, because I'm sweating just as bad just standing here. It's fucking hot. Checking. So it says that his NOx sensor's out, and we went to Vato Zone already, and they're saying it's like 180 for a NOx sensor. So we're like, hey, we could just get one off of all these other Hondas over here, cause he got all the Hondas. Yeah.
No more check engine.
No more check engine. Hey, there you go. Just clear it. That works. So I have wound up over at my parents' place because that heat index is just too wild for me. I called them, I was like, hey, can I come over? And they're like, yeah, come on over. We got the AC on. I'm like, thank God. The plan is to basically start heading over to San Leandro area around 6 o'clock. It is currently 4, and I actually got a package from Counterculture Coffee, which means, Alex, I know that this came from you. Thank you, sir. And, no way, dude. Bro, he sent more of the bags. Dude. And it's all 46. I'm not gonna lie, 46 is so good, dude. Alex, thank you, sir. Man, I think I'm good on coffee for a while. Like, I mean, the last one had so much, and now this one is like so much. I honestly think I'm good on coffee, bro. You've hooked me up, man. Thank you very much, sir. Alright, guys, I will pick this back up when I go shopping for other breakfast items later, because I plan on making breakfast at the meet tomorrow.
Alright guys, it is sunset right now and we are taking off to the San Leandro area. We're gonna hit up a dollar store over there and hope that they have a frozen section and dairy section. Kind of gambling, we'll see. And we are gonna go pick up our breakfast stuff for the morning for the car meet. Alright, I'll see you when we get there. So me and Hades have officially made it into San Leandro, and we are just about 4 minutes away from the marina. And honestly, I'm gonna try to sleep as close as possible to it, because I've been staying up late and my wake up schedule is like around 10, so I'm gonna set some alarms to wake me up like around 9, just so I can get up and get ready for everything, get everything all set up and get the day going. Oh, look at this guy. He's like, give me my pets, I don't care about none of this. All right, and we did pick up stuff. I don't know why I'm trying to show you. The bags are back there, but I'll show you when we get to our parking spot. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it says no overnight parking tow away zone. And there's a bunch of RVs. There's a bunch of RVs here that honestly don't look like they've moved in a while. So I'm gonna just go creep up. It literally says no overnight parking or RVs, and there's literally just nothing but RVs here, bro. Like, there's no way you could tell that guy's been here forever. Hey, one night ain't gonna hurt. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm sleeping tonight. Right here at the marina. Let's get our spot. It's right here. This is where our night is. All right. All right, so here's everything that I grabbed for breakfast tomorrow. Paper plates, napkins, tortillas, 2 packs of these king cakes, cinnamon crumble cakes, just in case somebody doesn't want a full-on whatever I decide to make. I got 3 of these Farmer John classic pork sausage rolls. They're frozen. I got a little thing of butter. I thought I put all these back, but I guess I forgot these ones, so whatever. And then I wanted to try these because they look crazy. Loaded sausage bites, which has sausage, egg, cheese, and bacon in them. I'm figuring I could just fry these up like meatballs. So that's going to be crazy. And I also got some teas, which I'm going to drink right now. Bam. Nothing better than a rainbow peace tea, peach flavored. Yeah, hard crack. Damn, that was good. All right. I think that we're gonna call it a night here. I'm gonna get my window shades up because you can still see out the windows, and it is actually pretty breezy here. I believe it said by the coast tomorrow there's possible chances of thunderstorms and rain because of this hurricane that's coming through the US, but I mean, I don't know, we'll see. If anything, crazy Hurricane Hillary content for you guys tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, we are staying in this parking lot that just has a bunch of RVs around it, and we're just over by this tree. Hades right here going to the bathroom, and yeah, guys, all right. Well, have a good night, Dink, and I will see you tomorrow morning.